Hi, let me show you how to check if iPhone is original without opening box. So, firstly, if you have a box, then take it and take a look at the bottom of the back part of the box. Here you should see this code for IMEI, serial number, and EID. So we are interested in serial number here. You need to paste this number in the specific website, which I can show you later. But before I do this, let me show you where else you can find this serial number. For that, we need to go in Settings, tap on General, of course, click About, and here is your serial number. Make sure to press and hold it and click to copy. Now I want you to open Safari and here just search for the website checkcoverageapple.com. So let's just enter check coverage and visit this website. Great. Now we can see this section serial number. And here you can just click and paste a serial number, or you can just copy it from the box if it is more comfortable for you. So make sure to enter the right number and then tap Submit. And after that, you should see detailed information about your device, such as purchase date, serial number, the model of your phone, and this type of information. So if it matches with your device, then it is original. If not, then you have a fake one. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.